In the menu under Reports, you will find an overview of your own evaluation of your well-being. This function helps you to honestly record your condition so that you can monitor the success of your applications. If you have activated the reminder function, you will receive a daily message from your smartphone to assess your condition in the logbook here. Choose the emoticon that best matches how you feel right now. You can also enter a short description and confirm the entry here. In the dashboard, you will see a clear graphical representation of your personal assessments in a weekly view. By touching each day of the week, you can reread your previous comments.